Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Glimpse. Today I'm going to show you how to use Canva AI poster. First, go to canva.com. On the left hand side, click on Magic Studio, then scroll down and click on Magic Design. You'll see a Try Now button. Click it, and a search bar will appear. Enter your prompt. The AI will generate designs based on your prompt and save it. Next, go to Canva homepage and go to Templates and search for film posters or any poster you like. Look for a template you like, select the image in the template and delete it. From Uploads, add your generated poster design, resize the image, and change the title and text according to your liking. And there you go. You have your stunning poster design. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Guide Glimpse. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more how-to videos.